Yeah, so there's a blizzard. We're going to work. No, you can't see shit. We're in a really big truck though, so we're okay. But this is nuts. I don't even think I've seen this up in Pennsylvania in years. Yeah. Wow. It's the wind. The wind's the worst. That's the whole blizzard thing. Yeah, so blizzard of 2018.
Good morning, January 4th, 2018. It's about 7:30 in the morning. This is the view from outside my window, my bedroom. I'm going to open the door briefly, if I can. Get the snow drifting up. This is what we're looking at. So, if you want to wonder what conditions are down here and where we live, and this is what you get to look at. And we got quite a little bit of time before this storm wraps itself up.
Okay, now that it's a little bit light out, I thought I would step outside and just show you kind of what's going on out here. I am at the store, I am at work. This is crazy. You really can't, the camera doesn't really do justice with the snow plows out. But yeah, that's what it looks like so far.
Alright, this is going to be my first attempt to go out the front door. I have to get the shovel so I can try to shovel a path for the dogs to go out back to go use the bathroom. But this is what I'm looking at. Alright, as you can see, ice is forming on the side of our trailer. It's just embedding, the wind is just pressing the snow onto it. Drifts right now, they're looking pretty deep. I mean, it's cold, it's windy, and I'm just trying to clear a spot so I can get the dogs out. And we're still pretty early in the game, so we'll see what happens. We'll see how much we get. I really don't know what an official total is because it's just blowing everywhere and it's just going to get worse. The temperatures are going to drop, the wind's going to pick up, and we'll just have to see how it goes. Well, it wasn't for lack of trying. You guys just don't want to go out. You don't want to go out, do you? I don't blame you. It's pretty rough out there. But I did drag some snow in. I saw some grass, but that'll probably be covered up here in the next half hour anyway. So, it is what it is.
I'm going to do another update. It's a little after 10 in the morning. As you can see, it's still snowing. It's not snowing as hard, but the wind's still pretty good. We still got plows trying to get stuff done, but you see those plows were out all morning and you can still see the parking lot's still in pretty wicked shape. Anybody that's out in this stuff right now is just friggin' crazy. So most of the employees have not shown up. The only reason I'm here is because Andrew, who has a really big truck, came and got me. So, yeah, that's your update. 10:15 a.m. January 4th, 2018. Blizzard at the beach in Delaware. Yeah, I need to go further south to a warmer beach.
Our dog Simon out there is roughing it out. He needed to use the bathroom, so he's out there fighting the snow. Poor guys. but it's coming down. Let's see, does he want to come back in? That's right. Shake that snow off on the bed. Appreciate it. Ugh, cold. Going on 1 o'clock. And the drifts and the snow and the wind and everything else still happening. Yeah. Let's see how much longer we got out of this. I'm sure we got a little while still. Alright, well, I shoveled the driveway, as you can see, because I was going to try to get Trish from work, because they came and picked her up this morning and they're not bringing her back. So they got her a hotel room, but I need some food because it kind of fell on our payday and the house is kind of thin in the cupboards.
Yeah,
so now,
you want to tell them what you made?
Yeah, I mean, I made stovetop turkey stuffing. I dumped a can of canned chili in it.
Dude, that is like as deep as my boots.
It was gross. So I'm going over to my neighbor's house right now, but I have to walk the road because the drifts in our yard are about 2.5 foot. And I'm going to bum some ground beef and some spaghetti noodles off of them, and we're going to get a meal out of that. And I still got turkey noodle soup in the fridge, but one can only eat so much turkey noodle soup. So I'm heading over there right now.
Oh my God.
The Raiders Pantry.
This is hard to walk in.
What, Lace?
This is hard to walk in.
It is hard to walk in, and it's still kind of snowing too, so.
Yeah.
Getting
probably
windy.
they said it's the coldest weather on the East Coast in 100 years.
Well, it's not that cold, but it's certainly going to get.
Are you okay?
It's
cold.
It's going to get windier. I know that. All right, catch you in a bit.
Okay, things have not gotten much better. It is like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I am headed to the hotel because nobody can get out to get me home, which is fine because work's paying for it. But yeah, it's windy, it's cold, and there's a lot of snow. Apparently they just put the emergency on the access out on the roads. So yeah, this is the beach. Good times. Okay, so my first video on my room tour was a fail. So we're going to do it again. So here we go. And this is my room. Again, if you missed it or a clip got missed, I am staying in the hotel next to work because I can't get home because of the blizzard. Hi. So this is the bathroom. I'm kind of excited because at home we only have a shower. So I think I might take a bath. Why not, right? So, got a little closet here, and I'm at the Comfort Inn. So I'm sure everybody's, or at least most people are used to, or at least know what a Comfort Inn's like. That's my boots. Another full-length mirror, so I can make sure I'm all pretty in the morning. You're right, I don't have any clothes. I did buy a pair of pants and a pair of socks. I'll improvise. I'm only going back to work in the morning anyway. So they got some really pretty pictures, beachy themed. I got 2 beds. I'm just like, what do you do with 2 beds when you're one person? But hey, I'm not paying for it, so I'm not going to complain. Not that I'd complain even if I was. It's a nice room. Table. I brought some snacks from the store. They got coffee. I got some tea because remember, I'm on that 100-day challenge, so I can't have soda or any of that. Nice little chair to sit in. Yeah, so not a bad little room. And I'm in it all by myself. It's kind of exciting and sad all at the same time. Hi, there I am again. Hi, vlog. So this is my view. And I'll explain a little bit. This is the parking lot of Safeway. And of course I work at Safeway. So there's the shopping center, and right out there is Route 1, which is pretty much shut down. Of course, we're in a state of emergency and nobody's supposed to be on the roads anyway. But in the last hour or so while I was at work, a lot of people were getting stuck right past this area of the shopping center. There's a road, and a lot of people were getting stuck on that road and at the intersection right up there. So people were trying to shovel out and everything else. So yeah, people should just stay home when it gets like this. I did have some customers at work. Most of them either stayed in the hotel or got stuck. So, and about 98% of the employees that worked today are now staying in this hotel. So yeah, it's a nice hotel. I give them props. The attendants at the front counter are really nice, and the room's really nice, and they have breakfast at 10 a.m., but I'll be at work before that, so I get to miss that. Bummer. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna sit back and relax a little bit, maybe watch some cable TV, or I don't know. Who knows what I'll get into. There you have it.
Spaghetti tonight. It's what we got off of Paul, our neighbor. Actually, he gave us some hamburger patties, which works for the ground beef. Some people like spaghetti with ground beef, some don't. I like mine with ground beef. Ground beef, got the sauce. Got 2 boxes of noodles going here because it's going to make a big batch to keep us going. Some people like to mix the sauce. Trish likes her noodles on the side, sauce on the side, and then she puts the portions together. I like them mixed up together because I like all the flavors to kind of absorb into each other. What do you like? I like my way. I think, since Trish isn't here because she had to stay after work, I'm making it with the sauce mixed to it. So there. Anyways, back in a bit. Well, I'm going to wrap it up, going to bed. It's been an interesting snowfall. Hope you enjoyed our vlog today. What if it snowed? What if it snowed 3 foot, 4 foot? Places that we live in, like down here, I'd have to get up on the roof and I'd have to shovel the snow off the roof so that way it wouldn't cave in on us. What if it snowed? Good night.